Hi everyone, today I'm reviewing world's most favorite premium chocolates, which is Lindt Premium Swiss Assorted Salted Caramel Edition. So this box in my hand has 6 flavored chocolates inside. Is it worth the hype? Let me taste all the 6 flavors and let you know. So let's talk about the packaging. So this golden and blue pack, it looks very premium and very luxurious. What I really like about the packaging is there is a window from which you can view all the colorful chocolates, different flavors which are present inside the box. So let me start with the red packet which shows milk flavor. Let me quickly open this and taste it and let me tell you how it tastes. Wow, it's nice, it's sweet, slightly more sweeter, and it's a very nice milk chocolate, very basic milk flavor. So this is creamy, lactonic as we say in terms of flavor. So the profile is very lactonic, very milky, creamy and rich. The feel is good. The chocolate is getting melted inside the mouth very smoothly. Okay, so now let me taste this blue pack which says milk flavor. So let's find out what is the difference between the red pack and the blue pack. So the chocolate looks like this. Nice, wow. So I like this one more than the red one because red is very much like a basic milk profile, but here I'm getting a very nice chocolate profile. So this pack is basically similar to our dairy milk flavor with a little bit of cocoa sweetness, very slight milk and more of the chocolatey feel. The chocolate is melting inside the mouth very instantly. It's very smooth in terms of texture. So now I have picked milk hazelnut because I want to see the difference between the red one, okay, which says it has a milk flavor, which was actually very milky. The second one, which was blue, which is more of like dairy milk, cocoa, and this one, which says milk hazelnut. So I am expecting, oops, it's broken. So I'm expecting it has, as I was talking, so it has these nuts. Okay, you can see the nuts inside the chocolate. So this is what I was expecting and it is as per my expectation. So let me taste and see whether this is worth the hype or not. As expected, a very smooth and very yummy nutty profile of hazelnut with very balanced sweetness. So I like the sweetness in this more than what I liked in the previous two. So the sweetness is balanced, the nuttiness is amazing, the retro-nasal aroma of hazelnut and the amazing feel of the pyrazines, as we say in terms of flavors. So pyrazines is like basically the chemicals or the flavor aroma molecules which makes chocolate more nutty. So they add on to the nuttiness of the overall chocolate, and also the roasted effect is there. So I really like this milk hazelnut.